Hello and a very warm welcome to Bharata. First, I'm frankrausanpereira. This is FRP Explains. Since you're here, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then all notifications so that you don't miss an update from Bharata First. Well, the Congress was dealt a blow on Wednesday when one of its tall leaders, Jitin Prasad, quit the Congress and joined the BJP. The BJP welcomed him with open arms because he's going to be a big factor come the 2022 elections in Uttar Pradesh, and all parties are gearing up for the big polls in the state because they say all roads to Delhi go through Uttar Pradesh. The Congress, of course, was left disheartened. Senior Congress leader and former Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Rawat has come forward and said that it is a big blow to the Congress and it's time for the Congress to introspect. Jitin Prasad also said that he was joining the only national party in the country, terming all the other parties as regional parties. This did not go down too well with the Congress, and the Congress is clearly upset. Well, there's nothing wrong in what Jitin Prasad has said. In fact, it clearly looks like the Congress has been limited to only small pockets here and there and is playing even second fiddle to other regional parties which have won elections and have kept BJP out. So the Congress clearly is on the downhill, and like several other leaders have already called for, the Congress seriously needs to introspect and start doing something new if it wants to revive itself. The Congress's youth core, that is Jyotiraditya Scindia, Sachin Pilot, Milind Deora and Jitin Prasad, these were part of the core youth group and very close to Rahul Gandhi, and now two of those people have already joined the BJP, and the core group seems to be decimated and is disintegrating. This should concern the Congress, and the Congress needs to do something about it if it wants to continue to be a force to reckon with in the country. Right now, it isn't. The regional parties have come to the fore and are taking on the BJP's juggernaut and BJP's might. In fact, Mamata Banerjee seems to be the sole front runner to take on the might of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the moment, and all the others are just bystanders. Now, coming back to the issue of Jitin Prasad, and he could play a crucial factor and a crucial role, especially in the elections in Uttar Pradesh. Talking about the elections in Uttar Pradesh, the BJP clearly looks like it's in the driver's seat right now, not because of anything else, but because of the fact that the opposition is not integrated and the opposition is fragmented into smaller groups, which is going to make it difficult for them to take on the BJP because of all the ground level support staff that it has and everything else that the BJP has going in its favor. Let's not forget that the BJP has a trump card in the form of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. Wherever he's gone and campaigned, wherever he's gone and spoken, we've seen large groups come and listen to him, and he is certainly a trump card up the BJP's sleeve. The other parties in Uttar Pradesh, of course, are going to fail on that front and are going to find it very difficult to take on the might of the BJP only because they are fragmented. And last time as well, in the previous elections, we saw them coming together, especially the BSP and the SP, and that was not a very fruitful exercise. So what their strategy is going to be, how they're going to take on the BJP, we'll see that coming to the fore in the days to come, because 2022 isn't too far away and all political parties are really gearing up for what's likely to happen in Uttar Pradesh. In the meantime, of course, for the Congress, it is time to introspect and do something new, because members from within the party themselves, even Milind Deora has come out and spoken about how the party needs to do something. The party needs to start looking at alternatives in terms of leadership and look at what's wrong within the party and really come up from ground up so that they can be a difference in the times to come. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of FRP Explains. For those of you who like the content, you may like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon and then all notifications. You may also come forward and make a small contribution using our UPI IDs. A small contribution that you make will go a long way in us bringing you this content. Do let me know what you think about this issue. You can send us our feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. I'll ensure that I go through them. That's it from me. See you again next time.